Psychological foundations. The meaning of learning. Learning is the process of acquiring new knowledge, skills, attitudes, or behaviors through experience, study, or instruction. It involves a lasting change in understanding or ability influenced by individual and environmental factors. Key learning features. 1. Active process requires active involvement and participation. 2. Learning depends on past experiences and new exposures. 3. Occurs continuously throughout life from childhood to old age. 4. Learning is often goal-directed, but can also be incidental learning. 5. Learning leads to observable or internal changes for behavioral change, such as new habits or improved thinking. Learning theories. Learning theories are guidelines that explain how individuals acquire, retain, and apply knowledge or skills. These theories are drawn from educational psychology, cognitive science, and behavioral theories. Understanding these theories helps educators, trainers, and learners create effective learning environments. 1. Learning is an active process. Learners should actively engage with the content, whether through discussion, problem solving, or practice. It is highly beneficial to use participatory, hands-on activities, and real-world applications to foster deeper understanding. 2. Motivation enhances learning. Intrinsic or extrinsic motivation motivates learners to make efforts and persist. This can be achieved by providing clear goals and offering rewards or recognition, and by linking learning to personal interests or real-life benefits. 3. Learning is always ongoing. Learning occurs step by step, building on prior knowledge and experiences, starting with basic concepts and gradually moving to more complex ideas. 4. Practice and repetition reinforce learning. Repeated exposure and practice reinforce knowledge and skills. This helps keep learning ongoing. Practice, reviews, and opportunities should be included in a variety of contexts. 5. Feedback is essential. Timely and specific feedback helps learners identify errors, correct them, and reinforce correct responses. Provide constructive feedback that highlights strengths and areas for improvement. 6. Learning is influenced by prior knowledge. Learners use existing knowledge as a foundation for absorbing new information. Learners' prior knowledge should be assessed and new concepts should be linked to familiar ideas. Learning laws. The laws of learning are basic rules derived from psychological theories that describe how people acquire and retain knowledge, skills, or behaviors. These laws were first formulated by Edward Thorndike in the early 20th century and have been expanded upon by later researchers. Thorndike's basic laws of learning. 1. Law of readiness. Learning occurs most effectively when a person is physically, mentally, and emotionally ready to learn. Learning will be most effective only if the learner is given clear objectives and a conducive environment. 2. Law of exercise. Repeated practice greatly reinforces learning, while lack of use leads to forgetting. Practice or review sessions should provide opportunities for repetition. 3. Law of effect. Positive consequences make subsequent behavior more likely to be repeated, while negative consequences are less likely to be followed. Use positive reinforcement, such as rewards or praise, to encourage desired behavior. Thanks for watching. For more information, consult book, Gym Fitness Foundation by Dr. Sukhraj Singh.